Are you looking for the best PTZ security camera? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PTZ security camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. LS Vision 20MP Security Wi-Fi Camera. The LS Vision 20MP for Screen Security Wi-Fi Camera is an advanced outdoor surveillance solution designed for comprehensive monitoring. This camera features a 4-lens system, providing a wide field of view and the ability to monitor multiple areas simultaneously. With 10K resolution, it delivers high-definition video quality, ensuring clear and detailed images. The 16x optical zoom allows for close-up viewing of distant objects, enhancing the ability to identify individuals or vehicles. Equipped with PTZ, pan-tilt zoom, capabilities, the camera offers flexible positioning to cover a wide area. Its auto-tracking feature ensures continuous monitoring of moving objects, while humanoid detection helps in accurately identifying human presence, reducing false alarms. The camera supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote access and control through compatible devices. Designed for outdoor use, the LS Vision camera is built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring reliable performance for continuous surveillance. Number 2. Maseku 4K PTZ PO IP Camera. The Maseku UHD 4K PTZ Outdoor PoE IP camera is a high-resolution surveillance solution designed for comprehensive outdoor monitoring. Equipped with an 8MP sensor, it delivers ultra-high-definition video quality, ensuring clear and detailed images. The camera features PTZ, pan-tilt zoom, capabilities, allowing for flexible positioning and zooming to cover a wide area. Its 8x hybrid zoom enables close-up viewing of distant objects, enhancing the ability to identify individuals or vehicles. Designed for outdoor use, the Maseku camera is built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring reliable performance for continuous surveillance. Its H.265 video compression technology reduces bandwidth and storage requirements without compromising video quality. The camera supports two-way audio, enabling real-time communication, and features color night vision, providing clear images in low-light conditions. Additionally, it supports AI smart detection, enhancing security by accurately identifying human presence and reducing false alarms. Number 3. IMOU Cruiser SE Plus Outdoor Camera. The IMOU Cruiser SE Plus series outdoor Wi-Fi camera is a versatile and robust surveillance solution designed for both residential and commercial use. Offering resolutions up to 5 MP, it delivers clear and detailed monitoring with pan-and-tilt functionality that provides 355 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation for complete coverage. Equipped with 8x digital zoom and AI human detection, it ensures precise identification while reducing false alerts. The camera features smart color night vision with a range of up to 30 meters, supported by built-in spotlights for vivid low-light footage. It also offers two-way audio for direct communication, an IP66 weatherproof rating for all-weather durability, and H.265 video compression to save bandwidth and storage. With multiple storage options, including microSD cards, NVRs, and cloud storage, and compatibility with the EMU Life app for remote control, this camera is a powerful and flexible security solution. Number 4. Baseus 20MP HD Wi-Fi Camera. The Baseus 20MP 8K HD Wi-Fi camera is an advanced outdoor surveillance solution designed to deliver high-resolution monitoring with enhanced coverage and intelligent features. Equipped with 4 lenses and 3 sensors, it supports a multi-screen display, allowing for a broader and more detailed view of the monitored area. The camera offers 10x zoom capabilities, enabling clear identification of distant objects without compromising image quality. Designed for outdoor use, the Baseus camera is built to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring reliable performance for continuous surveillance. Its PTZ, pan-tilt zoom, functionality allows for flexible positioning and zooming to cover a wide area. The camera features auto-tracking capabilities, ensuring continuous monitoring of moving objects, and supports two-way audio for real-time communication. Additionally, it offers color night vision, providing clear images in low light conditions, and supports cloud storage for flexible data management. Number 5. LS Vision 6K HD Wi-Fi Camera. The LS Vision 6K HD Wi-Fi camera is a powerful outdoor surveillance solution designed for high-definition monitoring and intelligent security. Featuring a 12MP sensor and 6K resolution, it delivers exceptionally clear and detailed footage. Its triple-lens design and 3-screen display allows simultaneous monitoring of multiple perspectives, while AI human detection and auto-tracking enhance security by focusing on detected movement. The camera offers 8x digital zoom for precise viewing of distant objects and dual light source night vision for vivid color imaging even in darkness. Additional features include two-way audio for communication, an IP66 weatherproof rating for durability, flexible connectivity via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi or LAN, and secure storage options including cloud service and microSD cards up to 256 GB. Compatible with the ICC app, it provides convenient remote control, making it a versatile and reliable choice for outdoor security.